Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the Android home screen setup of the week. Now this setup is a sneaker inspired home screen setup, and I just love this wallpaper. This setup is going to be made on top of the EV launcher. EV launcher is one of the amazing launchers out there, and let's just jump right into it. So the top widget is from Cheesecake Kwgt, and the widget's name is called Bolded. Now it tells us the date, the day, the time, weather conditions, temperature, and our battery level. The next widget is a very beautiful widget from Cheesecake KWGT as well, and that is a battery widget that tells us our remaining battery level. And it's kind of a nice thing to have on this setup. It just fits the whole theme and it really looks good on this home screen setup. Now the icon pack used in this setup is from Borealis. Borealis is an amazing icon pack with over 8,000 icons. As you can see, the sneaker is slanted at a particular angle, so I just arranged the icons to fit the angle of the sneaker. So there you have it. This is a very simple but beautiful home screen setup, and this is our setup of the week. So I want to make this very interactive. I'm reaching out to you guys to submit your Android home screen setups, and every week I'm going to choose one to be our Android home screen setup of the week. So all I would need is a screenshot and details of your icon pack, your widgets, and your wallpaper. So you just send it to the email I'm going to leave in the description section. I'm super excited to have you guys share your home screen setups as well, and I can't wait to see them. So thanks for watching this episode of Quick View. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.